Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So students, today in this session we will do our chapter number 3rd, and that is give and take. Okay, these all are the extra questions of chapter number 3rd and you have to do it in your notebook. Clear? But before starting this video, there is one instruction for all of you. Please just revise your previous work, just check all the previous videos, okay, and then start your extra questions. Okay, so let's start the video, and question number 1 is match the following. Okay, there is some questions and on the another side some answers are there, but you have to find out the correct answer. So question number 1 is 15 less than 69. So less means subtraction. So 69 minus 15, 9 minus 5, 4, 6 minus 1, 5. So answer is 54. Where is 54? Here. So it's the answer of question number 1. Clear? Question number 2, 14 more than 54. So more means addition. So 54 plus 14 is equals to 4 plus 4, 8, 1 plus 5, 6. So answer is 68. Where is 68? Here. So just match it. The answer of question number 2 is 8th. Now third one is 37 more than 60. Now again more means addition. So add 60 with 37. So 0 plus 7, 7. 6 plus 3, 9. So answer is 97. Where is 97? Here. So match it with 97. So answer of question number 3rd is 7. Okay, done. Now our fourth question is 22 is added to 27. So add 72 with 27. 7 plus 2, 9, 7, 2 plus 9. Answer is 99 and here is the answer. So just match. Answer of question number 4 is 5th one. Now 5th question is what added to 85 gives 91. What added to 85 gives 91. It means हम 85 में क्या ऐड करें कि आंसर 91 हो जाए. Okay. So if I subtract 85 from 91, then I will get answer. How? Just check. 1 minus 5 not possible. So just take carry, it become 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 8 minus 8, 0. So answer is 6. Here. Now check your question. 91, 85. We have to add something with 85 and the answer will be 91. And our answer is 6. 85 plus 6 is equals to 91. So the answer of question number 5th is 6. Now our next question, question number 6 is 28 more than 44. So again more means addition. So 44 plus 28 is equals to 8 plus 4, 12, 2, carry 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, and that is 72. Where is 72? Here. Now next question is 34 less than 100. Okay, so 100 minus 34. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. Answer is 66. And where is 66? Here. So match it with the question. Next question, question number 8 is 26 minus something and answer is 9. 26 में से हम क्या minus करें कि answer 9 हो जाए. Okay. So if I add So if I subtract 9 from 26, so the answer is 17, and check it. 26 minus 17 is equals to 9. So the answer of question number 8 is 17, and where is 17? Here. Now our question number 9 is 16 subtracted from 80. So subtract 16 from 80. 10 minus 6 4, 7 minus 1 6, 64, and here is 64. Question number 9, answer is 64. Our last question is 33 more than 47. So add 33 with 47. 33, 47, 7 plus 3 10, 0 carry 1, 4 plus 3 7 and plus 1 80. So where is 80? Here. So answer of last question, question number 10 is 80. Okay. So students, just write down all the answer, pause your video and write down all the answers in your notebook. Now come to the next question, question number 2, and what is that? Fill-ups. And these all questions are very easy. 66 plus 11, you know how to add. 54 minus 27, you know how to subtract. So this question is for you. Do it in your notebook. Now next question, question number 3 is add the following. An example has been done. Okay, this is related to your NCERT. Same questions you have in your NCERT book also, okay, and it's previously done also. So just check how we will add 40 plus 39. So another method is just split it, expand all the numbers. So 40 is 40 plus 0, 39 is 30 plus 9. Now add 40 and 30 and 0 and 9. So 40 and 30 is 70 and 0 and 9 is 9. So it becomes 79. Similarly, you have to do another questions also. In question number 2, it is 71. So write it 71. Expand it. Okay. 23, 20 plus 3. Now write all the tens in one place and all the ones in another place. So it's 70 and 20 and 1 and 3. So 70 and 20 is 90 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So answer is 94. Okay. Similarly, we have to do next question also. Question number 3, 43. So 43 we can write it 40 and 3, 40 plus 3, 54, 50 plus 4. Now add 40 and 50. So 40, 50 and 3 and 4. So 40 plus 50 is 90 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So 90 plus 7, 97. So answer of question number 3 is 97. Okay. Similarly, just do your question number 4 and 5 also. It's your homework. Okay. Do it by yourself. If still you have any confusion, so just comment me in comment section. Now our last question is write the given number in 5 different ways in the form of the sum of 2 numbers. An example has been done for you. This question is also related to your NCERT book. Same question you have in your NCERT book also in chapter number 3. So you can check it from there also, and it's also discussed in our previous video. So just check how to do it. 79. So 79 in the expanded form we can write it 70 plus 9 also. Okay. Now 41. What is the combination of 79 with 41? 79, 41. So just subtract 41 from 79. 9 minus 1 is 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. So answer is 38. 38 plus 41 is equals to 79. Next is 35. So again subtract 35 from the 79. 9 plus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4, 7 minus 3, 4. So answer is 44. And 44 plus 35 is equals to 79. You can check your answer also. अगर हम दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे तो आपको 79 ही मिलना चाहिए. If you don't get 79, it means your answer is not correct. Okay. Now next is 24. So this time subtract 24 from 79. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So answer is 55. Okay. The last is 65. So subtract 65 from 79. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 6, 1. So answer is 14. And 14 plus 65 is equals to 79. Okay. So now question number 3rd. All questions are same. Okay. सिर्फ इसमें digits ही change हुई हैं, बाकी methods are same for all the questions. Now question number 3 is 94. 50 plus what? What we will add with 50? Then answer will be 94. So 94 minus 50. 4 minus 0, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. So answer is 44. Okay. Now here we have two blank boxes. So just write here the expanded form of 94, and that is 90 plus 4. Next is 42. So this time subtract 42 from 94. 4 minus 2, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. So answer is 52. Clear? Next is 76. So subtract 76 from 94. 4 minus 6, not possible. 14 minus 6, 8. Here we have now 8. So 8 minus 7, 1. So answer is 18. And 18 plus 76 is equals to 94. Now last one is 24. So this time subtract 24 from 94. 4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 2, 7. So answer is 70. And 70 plus 24, that is 94. Clear? Similarly, you have to do these 3 questions also, question number 4, 5 and 6 in your notebook. Okay, it's for you. You have to do it by yourself. Revise your all previous questions, revise your all previous video and do it by yourself in your notebook. And if still you have any doubt, just discuss with me. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day.